Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an inspiring story from the tech world, the remarkable bounce back of Huawei. Back in the late 2010s and early 2020s, Huawei faced serious hurdles, including global sanctions and restrictions on accessing critical technologies like Google services and advanced semiconductors. Many analysts predicted a sharp decline, even fearing the brand could vanish from international markets. But here's where the story gets interesting. Huawei didn't just survive, they pivoted, innovated, and adapted faster than most expected. One key strategy was their focus on self-reliance. By investing heavily in developing their own chips, operating systems, and 5G tech, they reduced dependence on external suppliers. R&D became Huawei's growth engine. From advancing HarmonyOS to building cutting-edge Kirin chips, Huawei doubled down on innovation, ensuring that their smartphones and enterprise solutions could compete globally, even under constraints. Beyond tech, Huawei strengthened its global partnerships. They expanded in markets less affected by sanctions, such as Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Europe. Their telecom infrastructure solutions continued to dominate, fueling 5G growth across continents. Another crucial factor, brand resilience. Huawei maintained trust with consumers and enterprises by emphasizing quality, reliability, and innovation. Even facing international scrutiny, they managed to retain a loyal user base. So what's the lesson here? Huawei's comeback shows that a combination of innovation, strategic pivoting, and global vision can turn serious setbacks into opportunities. Challenges are not the end. They're a chance to evolve, adapt, and come back stronger. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Huawei's bounce back, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which company's comeback story inspires you the most. See you in the next video.